Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, simply press and hold for 2 seconds power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and this window will appear right here. That means you took the screenshot. And as you can see, you will also have the notification that says that the screenshot was captured, and we can share it or delete it right here. Let's delete it. We can also take the long screenshot. To do it, again, press the buttons and tap on expanded screenshot. This option allows you to take the screenshot of the whole page instead of only the things that fit on the screen. It's gonna scroll down to the end of the page and take a screenshot like this. You can also tap on the screen to stop the scrolling whenever you want. Okay, let's delete this. Another way to take a screenshot is to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And when this menu appears, tap on the screenshot option like this. And there's also another method to take the screenshots. First, we need to open the settings by swiping upwards on the screen and tapping on the settings icon. In settings, we need to select buttons and gestures. Here, tap on quick gestures. And we have an option called 3-finger screenshot. We need to enable it by tapping the slider. And now we can take a screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers on the screen. Like this. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.